Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of May 2025 for all the Cancer Ascendant people. So first of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Sun controls your second house. And right now, second house Lord is transiting from your ninth house into your 10th house in the sign of Aries, and Sun is right now present in its exalted position because Aries sign comes into your 10th house and Sun is right now present into your 10th house in its exalted sign. And Sun will stay into your 10th house till 15th of May. After 15th of May, Sun will move from your 10th house to your 11th house in the sign of Taurus. Second house will be with your family, your savings, your money matters, your bank account, your speech, how you will deal with your family members is seen from second house, your early upbringing also seen from second house, your speech, your food intake habits 10th house. And one thing is very important to mention here is that second, sixth and 10th house, this triangle is always connected to your earnings, your work related matter, where you earn your money, your living is seen from sixth, second and 10th house. So your second house lord is right now moving in another house of this triangle. So you will have great result regarding your work related matter. You may have some increment promotion during this time period at your workplace due to presence of Sun in its exalted position. Sun represent authority, Sun represent government, Sun represent power. And right now, your 10th house is right now in a strong position till 15th of May. So if you are expecting some increment promotion at your workplace, and so definitely you will have the great support of your superior at your workplace, and you will also definitely get some increment promotion or recognition at your workplace. After 15th of May, when Sun will move from your 10th house to your 11th house in the sign of Taurus, then 11th house is the house of gains, house of recognition, house of supports, house of hopes and wishes, fulfillment of hopes and wishes, etc. So then you will have more good result and you will have the recognition of the effort you will put into your 10th house. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Cancer Ascendant people. Mercury controls your 12th house and your third house, and right now Mercury is starting from your ninth house in the sign of Pisces. There are a lot of planets are right now present into your ninth house in the sign of Pisces: Saturn, Mercury, Venus and Rahu. So Mercury will change two signs in the month of May. Mercury will move from your ninth house to 10th house in the sign of Aries around 6th May, and from your 10th house to 11th house in the sign of Taurus around 24th of May. But major portion of this prediction, Mercury will be present into your 10th house in the sign of Aries. So your 12th house will be the expenses, your losses, your isolations, your foreign settlement, your dreams, your space knowledge is seen from 12th house, astronauts, pilots, your long-term investment, your spirituality related matter, your dreams, paranormal activities, all of these things are represented by 12th house. Third house will be the efforts, your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, your communication, your hand skills, especially your communication skills are seen from third house. But your efforts and 12th house, your expenses and losses, these houses lord will be transiting from your 10th house from 6th May to 24th of May. So during that time period you may face great result after, especially after 19th May, when Ketu will move from your third house, from the house of Mercury to your second house, because Rahu Ketu about to move sign, because Rahu Ketu is about to change sign around 19th May. But we will cover the Rahu Ketu transit prediction video in a separate video. Right now, you just need to know Mercury will give great result after Ketu will move from the sign of Mercury after 19th May. So after 19th May, Mercury will be present to 10th house. So you will have great result. You will be very passionate regarding your work related matter, and you will do a lot of effort regarding your work related matter, because Mercury will be present to your 10th house. And as we discussed in Sun section, your 10th house is already in its strong position, and because your 11th house also it will be in its strong position after 15th May. Venus controls your 11th house and your 4th house, and right now Venus is starting from your ninth house as well. Venus is present in its exalted position because Pisces sign considered as an exalted sign for Venus. So Venus will stay into your ninth house till the whole month of May, but in the end, around 31st of May, Venus will move from your ninth house to 10th house in the sign of Aries. But major portion of this prediction, Venus will be present into your ninth house. So 11th house, your recognition, your gains, your recognition, your gains, your hopes and wishes, fulfillment hopes and wishes. And your fourth house will be your home, your properties, your vehicles, your comfort, how much comfort you will have in your life, how good vehicles you will have into your life, or how much conveniences you will have, your mother's relationship, your home relationship with your homies, your emotion, all of these things are represented by fourth house. Your homeland is also seen from fourth house. So your 11th house and 4th house lord right now present its exalted position into your 9th house, and 9th house also deal with your luck related matter. You will have a great result regarding your gains recognition related matter out of luck as well, because your 11th house and 10th house is already will be in its strong position in the month of May due to presence of sun into your 10th house. And after 15th May sun will be moved to your 11th house, and Mercury will be also present into your 10th house, beside the fact that Ketu will about to move from the house of Mercury around 19th of May. That's why we are saying you will have great result regarding your fourth house and 11th house related matter, because Venus also present exalted position. And your so you will have great result regarding your education related matter as well, because ninth house also deal with your postgraduate education, your travel related matter, your religious matter, religious inclination, your teachers, mentor, guider, advisor. All of these things are represented by ninth house. So regarding all of these matter, if you are dealing with such thing into your life, you will have great result till Venus will be present to your 11th house. Moon controls your first house. Moon is your ascendant lord. Moon is very important planet for you people. But in a monthly prediction video describing the result of moon for every house is very difficult, because moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict the results of moon in a single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe the result of moon for every house. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit into your birth chart. So first of all, whenever moon will be transiting from 6th, 8th, and 12th house. During these days, you may have some type of issues, problem, and difficulties into your life, because these house considered as a naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow, issues, problem, and difficulties are always associated from these houses. Secondly, whenever moon is transiting from any house near any naturally malefic planet. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mars. So during these days, also you may have some type of issues, problem, and difficulties into your life. So that's the easiest way to judge moon transit. Mars controls your 10th house and your 5th house, and right now Mars is moving into your first house in the sign of Cancer. In the sign of Cancer, in its debilitation sign, because Cancer sign considered as a debilitation sign. So Mars is moving into your ascendant, but in its weak state. You need to avoid anger during this time period. You may face some frustrating result. You may face some frustrating situation during this time period regarding your health related matter, regarding your people you meet during this time period. If you're married, you need to take care of your anger related matter and your business partnership, because from first house will be aspect to your 7th house, and Mars is present in its weak state right now. So you need to be very careful regarding your children's related matter if you have children right now. Also, you will have great result which we have talked regarding sun section, Mercury section, but your 10th house lord is right now in a weak state. You will get recognition gains, but you need to control your anger during this time period, especially till Mars is present in your first house in its weak state. So we can expect these results for all the Cancer ascendant people. Our today's video monthly prediction of May 2025 for all the Cancer Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video, and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.